We are pleased to invite you to the Ganankaryo YouTube channel, English medium program. Actually, with this program, we are going to introduce some type of knowledge on mathematical side, targeting to the GC O-level examination. First, we are going to do GC O-level examination paper, especially the first paper from year 2000 to 2019. Then we are going to introduce you mathematical top tips. That means there may be short techniques to get the quick answers for the mathematical solutions. And finally, most of you can't remember some difficult things. Therefore, we are going to present some stories which help you to remember some difficult parts of the mathematical section. Right. First of all, we are going to start year 2000 Maths 1 paper, question 1. Write down the following fractions in ascending order: 3 by 4, 4 by 5 and 2 by 3. What is the meaning of ascending order? That is increasing order. We have to get the minimum value first and the highest value last. How do we do that? There are two parts. One is the numerator, second one is the denominator. How do we get in order? First, we have to get the equal denominator. To do that, we have to get the least common multiple. What is the least common multiple of 4, 5 and 3? This is 4 into 5 into 3. 4 into 5, 20, 20 into 3, 60. Then least common multiple is 60. Then we have to arrange those fractions with that value of 60. 60 divided by 4 is 15. 15 into 3, 45. Then 60 divided by 5 is 12. 12 into 4, 48. 60 divided by 3, 20. 20 into 2, 40. Then we have three values: 45, 48, 40. Then to prepare the ascending order, we have to get the least value first. What is the least value? The smallest value is 40. 40 means 2 by 3. Then second value is 45. It's equal to the 3 by 4. The highest value is 48, equal to 4 by 5. Then the order, ascending order is 2 by 3, 3 by 4 and 4 by 5. Second question, simplify x divided by 3 minus x divided by 6. X divided by 3 minus x divided by 6. Here also we have to get the equal denominator, 3 by 3 and 6. 6 is the common denominator. 6 divided by 3 is 2, 2 into x, 2x, minus 6 divided by 6 is 1, 1 into x, x. That means 2x minus x, it is x divided by 6. 2x minus x divided by 6, that means 2x minus x means x, x divided by 6. The answer is x divided by 6. Third question. In the triangle ABC shown here, AC equals BC and the side BC is produced to D. If BAC angle is 40 degrees, find the value of ACD. The triangle is given. In the triangle ABC shown here, AC equals BC. A, B, C. AC equals BC. And the side of BC is produced to D. Side of BC is produced to D. It has been extended. If BAC angle is 40 degrees, BAC angle is 40 degrees, find the value of ACD. We have to get the value for ACD angle. according to this triangle, both sides are equal. Therefore, the angles in front of the equal side should be equal. Therefore, since this is 40 degrees, this should be 40 degrees, because opposite angles to the similar side. This is also 40 degrees. Then how do we get this value? There is a formula, there is a theory for that. If we produce or extend one side, this angle is equal to the interior opposite angles, addition of interior opposite angles. Therefore, ACD angle is equal to ABC plus BAC. ACD equals to ABC plus BAC. Then what is ABC? ABC is 40 degrees plus BAC is also 40 degrees. Then ACD angle is 80 degrees. This is the answer. Very simple. Then we turn to the fourth question. With a liter of petrol, a car can travel an average distance 12 km. Accordingly, find the distance it can travel using 18 liters of petrol. This mentioned that a liter of petrol car can travel an average distance 12 km. 1 liter car can travel 12 km. By using 1 liter, car can travel 12 kilometers. Then question is, according to find the distance it can travel using 18 liters of petrol. For 1 liter, 12 kilometers, then 18 liter. For 1 liter, car can travel 12 kilometers, then 18. What is the total amount? 12 into 8, 96. 12 into 1, 12, plus 9, 216. This is kilometer. Total distance can travel 216 kilometers. Number 5. Simplify 2 divided by 3 divided by half into 4 by 5. For this type of question, first we have to solve the brackets. 2 and 4. 1 and 2 into 2 is 4. Then 2 by 3 minus 1 into 2. Answer is 2. And 1 into 5. Answer is 5. 2 by 3 divided by 2 by 5. Then we have to convert this division into multiplication. How do we do that? We can change this value, denominator and the numerator. Then 2 by 3 multiply by 5 by 2. Then we can cut 2 to 2. Then answer is 5 by 3. We can give this as 5 by 3 is 1, 3 into 1 is 3, there is a balance 2, then this is the answer. Question number 6. Next one is also present the geometry. In the diagram, AE parallel DC, CA is the bisector of the angles DCB. If CBE equals 50 degrees, find the value of x. The figure is given. It is mentioned that DC, AB and E, A and C, AC here and CB. It is mentioned that AE parallel to DC, AE parallel to DC. and CA is the bisector of angle DCB. CA is a bisector of DCB. What is the meaning of bisector? Bisector means this angle divided by two equal parts with the bisector, right. And again it is mentioned that CB equals 50. CBE equals 50. Find the value of x. X is here. You know that DC and AE are the parallel lines. It has been cut with that AC line. Then this angle and this angle, alternative angles. With that parallel lines, alternative angles are equal. Then this angle should be equal to this angle. Therefore, if it is this value is x, this should be x. We can write that alternative angles, right. Then it has been given that AC is the bisector. That means this angle is divided into two by using that AC line. Therefore, this should be x. Now you can easily find out the value. When we consider the ABC triangle, we have produced AB to E, then external angle is equal to the internal two opposite angles, addition of internal two opposite angles. Therefore, this x plus this x equal to 50. Then x plus x equal to 50 degrees. X plus x means 2x. 2x equals 50 degrees. 2 into x, this is multiplication. To get the value of x, you have to get this 2 into the other side. How do you get that? Here 2 and x are 2 multiplied by x. Therefore, when we take 2 there, that should be the division. Then x equals 50 degrees divided by 2. Then x equals 50 by 2 means 25. The answer is x equals 25. Question number 7. Solve 2 within brackets x minus 1 plus 3 equals 5. First, we have to remove the brackets. 2 into x, 2x, plus into minus, separate signs. Answer is minus 2 into 1, 2, plus 3 equals 5. This is minus 2 plus 3, plus value is higher. Therefore, answer is plus 1. 2x plus 1 equals 5. To get the value of x, we have to get this 1 to the right side. Then, since this is the addition, when we take there, it will be 2x equals 5 minus plus 1, other side minus 1. Then 2x equals 5 minus 1 equals to 4. 2 into x, this is multiplication. Therefore, to get the x value, we have to get this 2 to the other side. Then it should be division, or we can divide it both sides by using value 2. Then x equals 4. When 2 get to other side, divided by 2, x equals 2. This is the answer. Question number 8. The ratio of the number of boys to the number of girls in class is 3 to 1. If there are 12 girls in the class, how many students are there together? The ratio of the number of boys to the number of girls in a class is 3 to 1. Boys and girls, boys to girls, 3 to 1. If there are 12 girls, in the class, how many students are there together? The question is how many students? If there are 4 students, 3 boys and 1 girl, the total number of students are 4. if there is only one girl, there are 4 students in the class. Then it is mentioned that there are 12 girls. Then what is the total amount of students in the class? Students in the class. We can directly get the answer. If one girl is there, the total students are 3 plus 1, 4. If the girls are 12, what is the total amount of students? We can directly get the answer. 12 into 4, 48. Total number is 48. Question number 9, this is little bit different from the earlier questions. If R is simple R into S divided by R minus S, find the value of R when R equals 12, S equals 8. Value of R and S are given. R equals Rs divided by R minus S. We have to get the value of R, capital R. Then we have to substitute the given values. R equals 12. R equals 12. S equals 8. R equals 12. S equals 8. We directly substitute these values. Then 12 into 8, 12 minus 8. What is the meaning of that? What is the value of that? 12 minus 8, 4. Initially I did not get the multiplication. Now it is easier. 4 into 2, 8. What is the total value? 12 into 2, 24. Then value of R is 24. This is the answer. Next question is number 10. This is a little bit different question. In the given diagram, AB is a diameter of circle. If ABC angle is 40 degrees, find the value of BAC. This is a circle. AB is the diameter. AB is the diameter. ABC angle is 40 degrees. ABC angle is 40 degrees. Right. Question is, what is the value of BAC? BAC. BAC. We know that addition of all the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. We know this value. If we know the angle of C, we can easily find out the angle of A. How do you get C value? If this is AB is a diameter, this is a angle of semicircle. That means angle formed with the diameter. This is normally 90 degrees. This rectangle. This is 90 degrees. There is another theory. With AB, with the center, if we found the angle 180 degrees, we can get the value of C as the half of this value. This is 90. However, the angle of semicircle or angle formed by the diameter is 90 degrees. Therefore, this should be 90 degrees. Then we can find out the answer of the question BAC. BAC angle equals BAC. We get that BAC plus ABC plus ACB. equals internal angles of the triangle 180 degrees. Then BAC plus ABC. What is the value of ABC? It's 40 degrees. It is given. What is the value of ACB? ACB, it is 90. This angle is 90 since this is angle of a semicircle. It is formed with the diameter. Therefore, this is 90 degrees equals 180 degrees. Then BAC angle plus 40 plus 90, 130 degrees equals 180. Then to get the BAC value, BAC 180, we have to get this 130 degrees to other side, that will be minus 130. What is the difference that? 180 minus 130 is 50 degrees. Then angle BAC is equal to the 50 degrees. This is the answer. Question number 11, add 10112 plus 10102. Normally we are handling the 10 base, but the here mentioned that base of 2, 10112 into plus 1010. This addition. How do we do that? 1 plus 0, answer is 1. 1 plus, this is also 2, base is 2. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. Since this is the base of 2, we can't 2 value here. We can't keep 2 value here. Therefore, we have to get that 2 value to the left. When we take 2 to the left, it will be converted into 1. The remaining portion is 0. We have taken 1 to the left, 0, 0, addition is 0, there is a remaining 1. And again 1 plus 1, 2, but we can't keep 2 here, we have to take the 2 to the left, therefore, the remaining portion is 0, and when we take 2 to the left, it will be converted into 1. Therefore, answer is 10101. The base is 2. This is the answer. This is not difficult, but we have to consider that we can keep the maximum value is 1. We can't keep 2 here with the base of 2. Then answer is 10101. Next question, number 12. Express 0.07 as a percentage. How do we get the percentage? Percentage is to how many percent? That means how do we change that the decimal value to the percentage? This the normal thing is we have to multiply this by 100. Therefore, 0.07, we have to convert this as a percentage. To convert to this value to the percentage, we have to multiply by 100. This is 0.7. When we multiply by 2 zeros, we can take decimal to 2 positions front, 2 positions forward. Therefore, answer is 7. But we have to mark the, we have to put the percentage mark. This answer is 7%. 0.07 as a percentage, 7%. This is the answer. Now we turn to the 13th question. This is substitution problem. We have already solved another substitution problem. But here the difference, data is not given with the values. We have to make A the subject of the formula V equals U plus AT. That means we have to find out the value of A. What should we have to do to find out the value of A? A has to be kept alone in one side and all other variables are to be taken to other side. Now think, what is the relationship of U with A? It is addition. Then take U to the left side as minus U. Finally, T is also taken to the left side. T multiplies with A. Then it should be a division of V minus U when it is taken to the left side. Now we can give the answer as V minus U divided by T equals A. But the normal presentation is A equals V minus U divided by T. Number 14. This is actually a little bit different from the previous sums we have already discussed. If the line AB shown in the figure is expressed by equation y equals mx plus c, find the value of c. Any line we can represent as y equals mx, y equals mx plus c. For an example, if we give this equation like, for an example only, y equals 3x plus 5, that is means the C is the intersection. Intersection is 5. What is the meaning of that intersection? Intersection is, if we get the y axis here, x axis here, a line can be like this. It may be this one. This, suppose this is minus 1, suppose this plus 2, this 0. Intersection means the line, the point cut by this line, this point is 2. The distance from 0, this is 2. The intersection is 2. For our example, the figure is given y, this is x axis, the line is given minus 2, 0, here 0, 0, 4. These are the coordinates. What is the meaning of that? 0 is x value, 4 is y value. This x value is 0, y value is 4. Y value means intersection, this value. Then according to this figure, what is the intersection? Intersection is this height, that is given by this number 4. C equals 4. When we are doing few sums, you can get the exact idea about that. Question number 15. A person who obtains a fire insurance for a house estimated at rupees 800,000 has to pay an annual installment of 0.5% of that value. What is the value of this house? 800,000. Value of house, rupees 800,000. What is the installment, annual installment we have to pay? Is 0.5%. This is installment, is given 0.5% of that value, 800,000 into 0.5%, half divided by 100. Then we can cut these two zeros, then equals 8,000 into 1/2, 2 divided by 2 with this 8, 0, 0, 0, answer is rupees 4,000. This is the final answer. Insurance payment is rupees 4,000. Question number 16. The pie chart is given. This is one method of data representation. The pie chart shows that the manner in which Mr. Kumar spent his salary in a particular month. What fraction of the amount of money spent on food was the money Kumar saved? The question is, his expending is given with the pie chart. Here it is not mentioned the expenses in rupees, but it mentioned with the degrees. Therefore, with those degrees, we can get the ratio directly. The question is, what fraction of the amount of money spent on food was the money Kumar saved? The question is, money Kumar saved divided by money spent on food. The rupee value is not given, but respective angles are given. Therefore, money Kumar saved, we can consider it as the angle given for that saving is 24 degrees. Here money spent on food. What is the representative angle? 144 degrees. Therefore, 144 degrees. This ratio can be taken by considering that ratio of the angles. Is 24, we divided this is 12, 12 into 2, 12 into 12, 2 by 12 means we can divide it by 2 again, 1, 6, answer is 1/6. The money Kumar saved divided by money spent on food is equal to 1/6, 1/6. This is the answer. We can directly get the answer by using this pie chart, by considering the angles without considering the rupee value. Question number 17. In the cyclic quadrilateral ABCD shown in the diagram, the side AD is produced to E. Name an angle equal to the angle CDE. This is quadrilateral. That means this is included into the circle. Our question is to give the equal angle to CDE. CDE. What is CDE? CDE. This is external angle produced by AD or extended by AD. This is external angle. What is the equal angle to this diagram? If we consider about the quadrilateral, there is a special relation of that. This angle is equal to the internal opposite angle. Therefore, directly we can give the similar angle to CDE is ABC. this is theory, you have to know about that. If we produce one side of this type of quadrilateral, then external angle should be equal to the internal opposite angle. Then CDE equal to ABC angle. This is the answer. Question number 18. A fruit seller buys a dozen oranges at rupees 96 and sells them at 9 rupees on orange. What is the profit? The seller buys a dozen of orange at 96 rupees. The purchasing price or buying price is rupees 96, and it is mentioned that and sells at 9 rupees an orange, right. Total value after selling, what is that value? The one orange is 9 rupees. Since this is dozen, there are 12 oranges. The total value is 12 into 9, 108 rupees. Then question is, what is the profit? This is the earning amount, 108 rupees. This is the spending amount, 96 rupees. Profit is earning amount minus spending amount. Profit equals 108 minus 96. This is 12 rupees. This is the answer. By selling the dozen of orange, he can earn 12 rupees profit. Question number 19. The marks obtained by 8 students for question paper out of a total of 10 marks are given below. The total marks is given as 10 marks. The marks obtained by 8 students are given 3, 6, 5, x, 7, 4, 8, 2. 7, 4, 8, 2. The question is, if the mode of the above marks is 5, the mode is 5, what is the mark is represented by x? The mode is 5. What is the meaning of mode? Mode is the maximum number, that means maximum frequency. Here 3 is only 1, 6 is only 1, 5 is only 1. All the numbers mentioned here, this is not 2 numbers, 1. But here mentioned that 5 is the mode. To be the mode 5, to equal 5, what should be x? If it is the mode is 5, it should be at least 2 times. To be appear in 2 times for 5, at least x should be 5. Therefore, answer for x is 5. Mode is the maximum representation and maximum frequency. Therefore, if the mode is 5, definitely x should be 5. Then there are 2 5 numbers here. Then mode is 5. This is the answer, x equals 5. Question number 20. A person working in a Middle East country sent a check for $125 to his father. The father received rupees 9,781 and 25 cents when he cashed the check at the bank. What was the value of a US dollar in rupees on that day? That means 125 US dollars equals to rupees 9,781 and 25 cents. Here mentioned what is the value of US dollar. It is mentioned 125 US dollars check cashed by the son. Then he received the money in rupees 9,781 25 cents. Then what is the value of US dollar in Sri Lankan rupees? 125 US dollars valued rupees 9,781 and 25 cents. Then what is the value of 1 US dollar? How do you get that? 125 US dollars equals 9,781 and cents 25. Then 1 US dollar. What is the value of 1 US dollar? 125 US dollars equal to 9,781 and cents 25. Then what is the value of $1? Then you can get the answer by using any method. I will give you shorter method. We are going to explain this type of shorter methods in future. 9,781 25 and you can directly get the answer by using any method, but I will give you one method. 125 is 1/8 of 1000. Therefore, we can give this 125 as 1000 divided by 8. This is one method only. You can get any method to get the answer. Then 9,781 25 divided by 1000, and this divided by 8 can take to the upper side. Then answer is 8 into 5 40 0, 8 into 2 16, 16 plus 4 20, 8 into 1 8 plus 2 10, 8 into 8 64, into 1 65, 6 is here, 8 into 7 56, 56 plus 6 62, balance 6 is there, 8 into 9 72, 72 into 6 78 divided by 1000. Then it is easy. You have to divide this value by 1000. Therefore, we can introduce another 3 decimals here. If we want, we can cut 2 zeros. Then divided by 100 means we have to introduce 2 decimals, 78.25. This is the answer. The 1 US dollar equal to the 78.25 rupees. Therefore, answer should be rupees. Question number 21 comes from the algebra side. Add the constant term to the quadratic expression x squared minus 6x. X squared minus 6x to make it a perfect square and rewrite it. Express it as a perfect square. This is the part of the quadratic equation is given, x squared minus 6x. We are asked to give some value to prepare perfect square. Perfect square, what is the meaning? x minus 1 squared. This is perfect square. That means x minus 1, x minus 1. If we remove the brackets, x into x, x squared, minus x, minus x, minus 2x, minus into minus, plus 1, 1 to 1, 1. This is perfect square. If we remove the brackets, we can get this expression, x squared minus 2x plus 1. We get another one, x minus 2 squared. That means x minus 2 into x minus 2. What is the answer for that? X into x, x squared, minus 2x, minus 2x, minus 4x, minus minus plus 2 into 2, 4. This is also perfect square. This is also perfect square. Then those expression is also result of perfect square. Then there is a relationship between those values. This is minus 2x. This constant value is 1. This is minus 4x. Constant value is 4. What is the relation? 2 divided by 2 is 1. The square root of 1 is, no, 2 divided by 2 is 1. The square of 1 is 1. 1 into 1, 1. Here, 4x. Half of this 4 is, 4 divided by 2 is 2. The square of 2 is 2 into 2, 4. That value is here. If it is perfect value, this relationship is there. The constant value is half of this value. You have to get the half of this value and square of this value. This is the relationship. Then if we think the value like x squared minus 6x to be a perfect square, what is the value we have to add here? This should be half of that, and we have to get the square. What is the half of that? 6 divided by 2, 3. Square of 2. 3 square means 3 into 3, 9. This is our question. X squared minus 6x. To convert this value to perfect square, what is the value, what is the constant we have to add? Actually, what is that constant? 9. We can directly get that constant value 9. Then how do we get the perfect square? With this expression, we can directly write like this. This is equal to the perfect square. How do you get that? This is x squared, this should be x. The middle value is minus. This value is the square root of 9. What is the square root of 9? 3. Then x minus 3 square. This is the question. It is mentioned that at the constant term of the quadratic expression x squared minus 6x to make it a perfect square. This is the value 9, and then rewrite it. This is, we have already written the expression with the 9 number, right. Then finally it is mentioned that express it as a perfect square. Now this is the perfect square. X squared, we can get x here, 9, 3 into 3 we can put 3 here, the middle sign we can use here. This is equal to x minus 3 square. This is the answer for that question. Mathematics 1, year 2000. Question number 22. 6 boys take 15 minutes to clean a classroom. How many minutes would 9 boys take to complete the same work? This type of similar questions we can see all the question papers. It is very easy if you can understand the basics. 6 boys take 15 minutes. It is better to put the details. 6 boys takes 15 minutes to clean the classroom. How many minutes would 9 boys take to complete the same work? Normally this type of question, for 6 boys 15 minutes. If we take the one boy, what is the total time duration? One boy. Normally it is multiplication or division. Therefore, 15 into 6 or 15 divided by 6. What is the method we can get? If 6 boys takes 15 minutes, one boy takes more than that. Therefore, it should be multiplication. This is 15 into 6 minutes. I am not going to get the answer. Finally, we can get the answer easily. Then question is, how many minutes would 9 boys takes? For the 9 boys, one boy take 15 into 6 minutes. 9 boys, definitely it should be reduced. Therefore, low value. To get the low value, we have to consider about the division. Then 15 into 6 divided by 9. 3 into 2, 3 into 3, 3 into 5. This is easy. That is why we did not get the solution initially. Then 5 into 2, 10. 10 minutes. 9 boys, 10 minutes. This is the answer, 10 minutes only. Right. Question number 23, paper 1, mathematics 1, year 2000. Represent on the number line the inequality -1 less than x and less than or equal 4. -1 less than x less than or equal 4. This is inequality. What is the meaning of that? There is some value, this should be greater than -1. Other thing is, this should be less than 4, but it can be equal to 4. If we consider the line x axis, suppose this is the x axis, we represent the values here, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. This is x axis. We have to represent that inequality with this line. We have mentioned represent on the number line the inequality. Then this should be, the x value should be greater than -1. This should be greater than -1 and less than or equal -4, +4. Less than or equal +4. Then how do we mention that? However, the portion is in between this. Starting from this point and ending with 4. But it is mentioned that it may be equal or less than 4. How do we get the equal sign? If it is equal, we darken this circle. Here it is not darkened, therefore, x should be more than minus 1, but it is less than 4, but it can be equal to 4 also. This is the representation of that. This is the answer. Question number 24, next question. Amara had to pay 6 equal monthly installment of rupees 500 for an article bought on hire purchase. She got an article by using the hire purchase. The monthly installment is 500 rupees. If she had to pay a total amount of 4,500 to buy the article, how much did she pay as down payment? The Amara had paid 6 equal months installment, 500 rupees. 6 installment, 500 rupees. What is the payment, total payment? Total installment payment. Installment payment. Installment ගණනාවක් තියෙනවා. Total installments payments. There are 6 installments. Therefore, I mention here installments payments 500 per month into 6. This is rupees 3,000. However, she has paid 4,500. Total amount she has paid 4,500. Total payment rupees 4,500. Then what is the down payment? Normally, initially we have to pay some amount of money, then with the monthly installment. The total payment is 4,500. The monthly installments are, the total amount for the monthly installment is 3,000. The balance should be the down payment. Then down payment it is the initial payment 4,500 minus 3,000. This is rupees 1,500. This is the answer, rupees 1,500. This is the down payment. Question number 25. Shown in the figure is a rectangular playground drawn to a scale representing 10 meter by a centimeter. That means if there is a 1 centimeter, actual length is 10 meter in the ground. Find the length and breadth of the playground. Is given figure 8 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter. According to the details, the scale is representing 10 meter by a centimeter. Then length equals 8 into 10 meter. 1 centimeter equal to 10 meter. That means 80 meter. Then width, breadth of the playground, length, breadth. Breadth is given as 3.5. 3.5 centimeters. 1 centimeter represents 10 meter. Therefore, into 10. Answer will be the meter. 3.5 into 10, 35 meter. The two answers are length is 80 meters, breadth or width is 35 meter. Question number 26. The area of the triangle PQR shown in the diagram is 35 centimeter squared. if PT equals 7 centimeter, find the length of QR. The area of the triangle PQR. Area of the triangle PQR in the diagram is 35 centimeter square. PQR triangle 35 centimeter square. Then if PT equals 7 centimeter, PT equals 7 centimeter, find the value of QR. QR. The area is given, the height is given. What is the formula for getting area of the triangle? Area of triangle equals half into base into height. The area of the triangle is given 35 centimeter square. Half into base QR. This is the length we have to find out, QR. And height, what is the height? 7 centimeters. Then QR equals, to get the value of QR, all the other values have to be taken to the other side. Divided by 2, when we take the left hand side, it will be multiplication. 35 into 2. This multiplication, when we take the other side, it should be division. Then what is the answer? 7 into 5, 5 into 2, 10. QR equals 10. Those are in centimeters. The answer is QR equals 10 centimeter. Question number 27. The two figures are given. Find the value of A in the smaller triangle shown above. Two triangles are given. These are similar triangles, equiangular triangles. What is the relationship in between those type of triangles? The ratios of sides are equal. Therefore, we have to find out value of A. Then directly I can take A divided by 2. I directly get from this figure, A divided by 2 equals, with the first diagram, what is the representative values? A is the side in front of 60 degrees. Therefore, in this figure, in front of 60 degrees, the side is 8. A divided by 2. 2 is the front side. The angle is not mentioned here. This is the same angle here. Therefore, this front side is 6. Then we can directly mention that, we can use the words also. I have directly mentioned that A divided by 2 equals 8 divided by 6. Then A equals 8 divided by 6. When we take this division to the other side, it will be multiplication. Then 2 into 3, 6 equals 2 into 3, then 8 divided by 3, then A equals 3 into 2, 6, the remaining part is 2, 3, 2/3. This is the answer. A equals 2 2/3, or we can give this as 8 divided by 3. Year 2000, question number 28, Mathematics 1, short questions. A boy starts from point A and walks 20 meter due north and reach to point B. Then from B he walks 20 meter due east, 20 meter due east and reaches point C. Draw a sketch to show his path. What is the bearing of C from A? Bearing of C from A. Bearing of C from A. He has gone to north, then east, therefore, this angle is 90 degrees. This is 20 meter, this is 20 meter. Therefore, since two sides are equal, front angle should be equal. If it is x, this is also x. Then, if we consider the triangle, the total value of the triangle is 180 degrees, x plus x, x plus x plus 90 equals 180 degrees, x plus x 2x equals 180 degrees plus 90. To get the other side, it should be minus 90. This is 90, 2x. If 2x is 90, what is x? 90. This is multiplication. When we take other side, it will be division. Then x equals 45. The bearing is 45. You can see most of the times it is represent as 0.45 degrees. Question number 29, year 2000, is the O-level mathematics 1, first paper, short questions. The using the data marked on the right angle triangle PQR in the given diagram, write down the ratio of sin theta, the ratio of cos theta. If you know the relationship, you can directly get the sin theta and cos theta value. Sin theta equals, or theta values here, then sin theta equals opposite side and hypotenuse ratio. That means PR divided by PQ. PR 12 divided by 30. Normally sin theta equals opposite side divided by hypotenuse, PR divided by PQ, this is 12 divided by 30. And cos theta, cosine theta equals, cos theta equals the adjoining side divided by hypotenuse, the QR divided by PQ. QR is 5 centimeter, PQ is 13 centimeter, then cos theta means 5 divided by 13, sin theta means 12 divided by 30. This is the answer. Normally, if you know about the relationship of the cos theta and sin theta, how do we get the values of that? You can easily calculate those values. Most of the times we have to calculate those sin theta and cos theta values. The last question, question number 30. A small sphere B of radius 1 centimeter attached to a string is suspended from a fixed point A. The sphere is drawn to a side with a string taut and then released. Describe the locus of the center of the sphere in the resulting motion. That means, this is the diagram. This sphere is suspended from point A, this is point A, and the sphere is drawn to a side with the string taut and then released. This sphere is taken to left side or right side and released. Then we have to give an answer about the motion. Describe the locus of the center of the sphere. Locus of the center. When we take this here and release, then how is about the locus of this point? Is like that. What is this path? The question about this path. What is this one? This is fixed length of 12 plus 1. It varies from point to point. Suppose from here to here, the distance from fixed point A to this point, this is 12 centimeter plus 1 centimeter, 13 centimeter. Therefore, we can give locus of the center of this sphere is a arc of a circle. If turn totally, it will be full circle. This is a part of a circle, this is arc of a circle. Therefore, this locus we can explain as this is arc of a circle, radius of 13 centimeter. Radius, the length from this point to the fixed point, this radius is 13 centimeter and center is E. This is the locus of the center of sphere in the motion. This arc of a circle with 13 centimeter radius and center of that arc is E. This is the answer for this question. Actually, this is a little bit difficult, but if you think correctly, you can give exact path of this point. We have already discussed 30 questions in year 2000 mathematics 1 paper, short questions with explanations for necessary theories, formulas, other related basic things I have introduced to you. Since this is the first discussion, it has been taken a little bit more time, but in future we can reduce the time, then you can get more experience. You can do those exercises personally, you can do alone, then you can get better experience about that. Therefore, we invite you to join with the Ganankarya YouTube channel. Definitely you will get more experience, and in the examination definitely you will have better results with this experience. Therefore, we invite you to work with us. Today we have completed the first paper, short questions of 2000. Next time we are going to introduce 2001 question paper with the Ganankarya YouTube channel. Ganankarya, that means master of mathematics. I believe that I am also some sort of master of mathematics, since I am a graduate engineer. If the engineers are masters of mathematics, I am also a master of mathematics. And for any field, there may be mathematicians, the better people, logical people. We try to introduce you this mathematics subject, how to do the maths by using logical thinking If not, you are in difficulty to face some questions if you do not have experience about the logical thinking. Think you will be success with us, and we will hope to meet you with the next session. Thank you.